Just go out the door, huh? What is that, Lucy, huh? What is that thing? Oh boy, where's it going? Huh? See if we can get the door open here. Where is it? Huh? Okay, you. I know, you're scared. Okay, here. Go out. Here. Okay, here. You can go out the door. Go on. I got the door open now. Go out. Go on out. Can you get out? Huh? Go on out the door. Go on. Yeah, right there. See, go on out the door now. Go on. See, the door's open. Oh. Where are you going? Huh? No, you can't do that. You gotta go out the door. Okay, now go on. Go on. Yeah, I know. Okay, well, no, not there. Over there. That door. See, over there. The door. Go out the door. Go on now. Go on. There you go. There. Okay. Just a little bit more and you can go out the door. Yeah, right there. Go on out. Uh-huh. Go on. Go on. Yeah, jump down. Jump down. Just go out the door. Oh, bird. Yeah, you're almost there. Lucy, get the birdie. Get the birdie. Come on, Lou. If you bark, maybe the birdie will go, huh? You think? If you bark, will the birdie go? Come on, go out the door, all right? Just go out the door. No, no, that's not the door. Mm-hmm. I know. Yeah, Scooty, it's a bird. What are we gonna do? Okay, you, come on. Why don't you just go, that's it, no. Why do you keep going up on the perch there? Why don't you just go out the door? Go out the door. Okay? Can you just go out the door? Over there now. Okay, this is getting silly. Okay? I don't know what to do with you. Yeah. Fly out the door. Huh? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now just go down. Go down and out the door, okay? No, huh? No. Oh my goodness. and back, huh? Come here. Okay. Out the door. Here. No, not there. Over here. Come on. I'm going to open the door all the way for you. Okay? See? Now see if you... See? Come on. That's it. Come on. No, not there. Come on. Come on. Go on. Oh. You know, Lizzie, you just got to keep the birdies out. There he goes. Finally. Bye, birdie.